Kuga was so special because he had such a big heart, he had such loyalty and courage, but he was so special because he was really, really good at his job. He had a lot of drive, a lot of determination, and the way he was trained and with his handler, it was just such a great team.
I'm pretty proud of what Kuga did that day. Ultimately, it was up to him for what he did. He's the one who chose to go forward. He's the one who chose to take the bullets for both me and my mates, and ultimately that enabled me to come home to my family.